These are my 5 themes of 2025. One is the strong US dollar and what to think of this and the ramifications on the market. 2 is US exceptionalism continuation, but broadening out into large caps. 3 is US healthcare and how this may have an AI and more of a pivotal role in an aging population. Number 4 is the AI theme and how it may take place out of the core AI beneficiaries. And number 5 is the UK. Is boring good again, and is it undervalued? Number 1, the strong US dollar. We particularly cautious on EM, particularly those that have a lot of US denominated debt. I want to stay away from countries like that, so particularly look at EM markets that don't have a lot of US denominated dollar debt and look into beneficiaries of playing the strong US dollars. Into US exceptionalism, we see it continuing from the same as what it did in 2024 into 2025. Not much has changed at the start, but we see it broadening out. There's 493 other companies in the S&P 500, 492 if you just count the recent kind of surge in Broadcom. These are actually at more attractive valuations than the kind of mega cap 7, and can see some potential growth in this, particularly with the US having such a dominant position over the rest of the developed markets. Number 3 is US healthcare. This has been particularly underperformed in 2024, but with an AI revolution that has yet to take place, an aging population and advances in biotechnology, we think these are particularly good, and you may want to look at this in your portfolio. So companies like Johnson & Johnson, they're looking particularly valued. They're down around 15% from the highs in 2024, and they're trading at better PE ratios than what they once were. Number 4 is the AI theme. Looking outside of the core kind of AI theme beneficiaries, your NVIDIAs of these world. Think about more of the factories that provide the ventilation for the AI systems, more of the components that are going to get with AI going more into people's workforces, people's factories, etc. So think of outside of the core beneficiaries of AI as that kind of broadens out into 2025. Number 5 is the UK good for being boring? The UK market's underperformed the S&P 500 for the last 20 years. Boring may be good. It may be less volatile, and also you get the dividends. So if you're looking for stability outside in Europe, UK, particularly the FTSE 100, may be a good theme to look at.